Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. As I have already given you the explanation of the poem Prayer, today I am going to share with you the summary of the poem and some textual questions of the poem. Dear students, the poem summary. The poem Prayer is composed by Ghulam Ahmad Mahjoor. The poem is addressed to God. The poet puts forth his wishes in front of Almighty. He appeals his Lord to lead him to the way of truth. He requests Allah to remove his ignorance and pour on him the nectar of knowledge. The poet asks him to listen to his pleas and requests and to save him from idleness, sickness, and sufferings. He requests him, his Lord, to be kind to him every moment and protect him in every field of life. He wants that he should be surcharged with zeal and hope. He requests his Lord to give him power to sing those songs which inspire people with love and remove all kinds of hatred from their hearts. The poet thanks his Lord to bloom him like the flowers with the soft breeze of the spring. He is hopeful that God will never let him wither grey like flowers by the burning heat of summer. The poet admits that in his outward appearance he is a human being, but in substance he is far from humanity. Being a human, he requests his Lord not to put him to trials and make him feel ashamed for his inhuman behavior. The poet thinks that he is segregated by the people and is called Mahjoor. He does not bother if people betray him, but prays to God not to abandon him because he cannot bear any kind of separation from him. Dear students, we have some textual questions which we have to answer. Question number 1 is, which way does the poet implore his Lord to lead him? शायर अपने अल्लाह से रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि वो उसको किस रास्ते पर चलाए. द पोएट implores his Lord that Allah is his hope and should lead him to the way of truth and pour on him the nectar of knowledge. Question number 2, name the blessings that the poet prays for. The poet prays his Lord to lend ear to his pleas and requests and cure him of ills and pains. Question number 3, what is that the poet wants to sing? The poet wants to sing those songs which inspire people with love and remove hatred and ignorance from their heart. Question number 5, subject me not trials, shame not my human form, explain. Therefore, it is the 16th verse of the poem Prayer. In this verse, the poet requests his Lord to forgive him and do not put him to trials. and repeated tortures, he also requests him not to make him feel ashamed of his human form. So, dear students, with this, the poem prayer comes to end. So, I have given you the explanation of the poem, the summary of the poem, and also the questions of the poem. You should try to understand it and remember the summary of the poem and its questions. Thank you.